Hello, my name is Kimatina. This screencast will show you how to create a branched form using Google Forms. So in this example here, I have a form quiz that will test students on their knowledge on the states. And at the bottom here, I have a review video. And in order to create a branched form, I need to add sections to it. And for my example here, I want to add a section after each question that regards to having them name the state. Because if they get the state wrong, immediately I want them to go and watch the video to review. So that's going to require me to add multiple sections into my form. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the question, and on the right side, I'm going to click on the add section icon. It looks like two bars, and it will add a section below my question where I was at. And it's prompted me here to name the section. So I'm going to say name the state, and I'm going to click on the question, and I'm going to add another section, and I'm going to add the section name. Then I want to have its own section for the capitals. So I'm going to click on the question, add the section below it, and I'm going to say name the capitals. And the last section is going to be the review section. So again, I click on the question, hit add section to add it below, and I'm going to put the review. Now, what I need to do is edit the questions, and based on the response, the flow of the form will follow to that appropriate section. So I'm going to click on the question, and over here at the three dot menu, I want to select go to section based on answer. And since this question is New York, I want it to go to the next section, which would be the next question, which is New Jersey. If they answered the question wrong, I want them to go to the review video. So if they answered New Jersey, I'm going to have them go to section 5, which is the review section, and the same with Pennsylvania. So for the next question, which would be New Jersey, I'm going to have them review when they enter in the incorrect answer, and I want them to go to the next section, which is capitals, if they have it correct. And in my capitals section, I can actually leave this the way it is, that they can go to the next section. But if they get it correct, I want it to submit the form. And that is just another option here that I can do as well. Or basically I can have it, I can select submit form here as well. So either or would work. And my review section is right here with the video. So the next thing that I need to do is test my logic and my workflow to make sure that it's correct. So I'm going to enter in my name, and I'm going to name this state. So if this state is New York, it's going to go to the next question, which is New Jersey. If I put in the incorrect answer here, just say I put in New York, I click next, it should take me to the review video, which it does. So the student can watch the review video, and when they're done, they can go back and they can actually change their answer, click next, and now it takes me to the capitals questions. So I can select my capitals, click next, and submit my form. And that's how I create, or you create, a branched form. I hope you find this screencast helpful.